Hi, I'm Diane. I'm back in the Caxton House kitchen doing another slow cooker recipe. Today I'm going to make flapjacks. Again, I've measured out all of my ingredients so it's easy and ready to go. In this pan here I've got my coconut oil and I'm just melting that down. And to it I'm going to add my peanut butter. This recipe called for smooth peanut butter, but I've only got crunchy, so I'm going to use that instead. My date syrup. It's a bit fiddly to get this one out. And 100 ml of hot water. Now I've got to melt this all together, so this will take a couple of minutes. Once this is done, it's pretty much one of those recipes where you throw everything in the bowl and mix it together. While this is melting, I'll show you what I've done here. I've lined the inside of the pot with baking paper or parchment paper, and that's just to stop the ingredients from sticking around the sides. Okay, so I've got my rolled oats here, and I'm going to add in mashed banana. Let's just use this. And, oops, waste not, want not. And here I've got grated apple. And once the ingredients on the hob have all melted together, I'll add that in and I'll mix it all together. Generally speaking, we try not to use recipes that use hobs, but this one does call for it because coconut oil gets hard, so we need to just make sure that it's nice and runny in order to get it into this mixture and incorporate it in properly. Right, I think this is ready now, so I'm going to incorporate it. Let's turn the hob off. And I don't know if you can see that, it's really nice and liquidy, and that will help to bring the whole mixture together. There we go. Right, now I'm just going to bring it all together. It smells amazing. Tip it up so you can have a little look at what's going on here. It's starting to come together nicely. Like I said, it smells really, really good. And once these are cooked, they're going to make a really, really lovely snack. Right, I think that's almost ready to go. And once it's done, I'm going to transfer it into my lined pot. And then a top tip is to put a tea towel underneath the lid in order for it to catch the condensation so that the condensation doesn't fall down onto your mixture and make it too sloppy. Right, so there we go. I'll pour this in here now. Come back and get this bit in a minute, but I'm just want to pat it down and push it into the edges of the bowl. It's looking quite good actually. Get the rest of this out of here. Right. So now I'm going to stick this onto the high heat, and I've got a tea towel here. And I'm going to pop the lid on, and that's going to cook for 1.5 to 2 hours. Check it in 1.5 hours. If it's how you want it, then it's ready to go. If not, leave it for the extra half an hour and check it again. One thing to remember is once it's cooked, take it out, let it cool before you cut it, because it'll just make it much easier to cut and it'll make the slices a lot neater. Right, I'm just going to check whether this is done, so have a quick look at it. Oh yeah. Just give it a little poke with a fork. That looks really well done to me, I'm happy with that. So I'm just going to get some oven gloves and take that out and cut it up. Well, I'm going to leave it to cool down for a little while first, can't wait. Then I'm going to cut it up and serve it.